I've made a recipe summer menu for you. There's 3 dishes, like there's caprese salad, pasta al pomodoro, and strawberry tiramisu. Here's the caprese salad. So guys, we're making caprese salad and it matches the Italian flag. We're pouring the milk and mixed with vinegar.
Oh, all right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Slice the tomatoes.
Slice. Manny, what did you make here?
The mozzarella.
These are the little mozzarella balls that you make from scratch.
Yes, and I'm going to make it, and we're going to get 2 different plates. So add a slice of tomato. Oops.
Wow, nice.
Lovely basil.
Oh, fun. Perfect. Oof.
Not enough.
Good job, man. I love it. Wow, look at that. Excellent.
It's very good. Here's the pasta al pomodoro.
All right, Manny. So what are we making today?
Pasta al pomodoro. And
Come on, go.
guys, put the heat on medium heat. Add extra virgin olive oil. A light rain of extra virgin olive oil. It's just an expression. Because we call light rain a drizzle.
3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
You can crush the garlic. Either you can break the garlic in half to get the flavors, or you can crush the garlic just like I did.
Okay, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Add 2 tablespoons of water to prevent the garlic from burning.
Very good. Okay, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. Whoa, so now we're adding the tomatoes.
Yep, and this tomato, we need to squish this.
All right, Manny, so what do we do now?
Put this on and add this leaf too, and we stir this.
Oh, okay.
And it'll release the flavor, and we're gonna stick this out. I know it's a thing, but we don't want to eat this, and we can take it out.
Oh, 2, 3, 1, go. Okay, Manny, so what are we doing now?
Add salt.
2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what are we doing now?
Twist and drop the spaghetti.
Wow,
Do not break
nice.
spaghetti. Italians get mad, as I said.
3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what are you doing now?
Adding the black pepper.
So, Manny, what do we do now?
We take this out.
Awesome. 2, 3, 1, go. Okay, Manny, so what do we do now? Coming, 2, 3, 1, go. So now, Manny, what do we do now?
This is how you blend it. So, do this. 1, 2, and 3.
All done?
I'll put the sauce back in.
3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what are we doing now?
Adding some basil
All right.
and al dente.
All right, Manny, so what do we do now?
We mix it and take it off the heat and finishing touches. Oh, sorry. More extra virgin olive oil, more basil. Add more. We are ready to mix it. You can add pecorino or parmigiano reggiano if you want.
Coming, 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny, so what do we do now?
We
It's
put
ready?
this pasta and put it on the plate
Wow, look at that.
and put the sauce on top. I need the spoon. You can add basil if you want, but the basil was very pretty, so we cannot top it. We can only put it in the sauce, and we can top the cooked basil on top.
Look at that.
That's good. Last but not least, here's the strawberry tiramisu.
All right, Manny. So what do we have today?
We have our strawberries and we're making strawberry tiramisu.
That sounds delicious. Go on, go.
We add the strawberries. We add more water
All right, very good.
to the strawberry.
And we'll put the heat up already.
We stir the strawberries. All right, so what do we do now?
Okay, so we're draining
The juice.
the juice. We're going to
Blend it.
blend this.
This is a food processor. We blend the strawberries. We have a beautiful strawberry cream. And let's put the strawberry cream.
All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We are getting 1 cup of sugar.
1 whole cup of sugar. Excellent. Oh, now.
Adding the sugar.
Good job, man. What are you doing now?
We're scooping the cream cheese.
All right. So how many scoop of the cream cheese we need?
2.
Okay.
Have
Oh, what we got, Manny? Wow, wow. That's
Now we
so. What are we doing now?
1, 2, 3. Now we are dipping.
Oh,
it in
you're
the
dipping
strawberry.
the cookies.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna slice the strawberries to decorate. Alright, so we're topping tiramisu with strawberry. Lastly, let's add the mint. Mint goes so well with mint. Add icing sugar.
Good job, man.
No tienes que bajar ahora tienes que ir para Dominicana, donde se rico.
Ya están picando algo.
Yummy. So what do you think of the menu? Do you like it?